How's it going, folks? This is Ryan from Stanky's Garage here. This is a December 3rd, 2021 update on the LSRSX. So we're looking at the car here. As you can see, the body lines are a lot better than they were before. I do have the wireframe up front finished for everything but the headlights for the most part. And we'll dive in here and take a peek. I can zoom out all the way here. It's kind of hard to. But yeah, like I said, it's done for the bumper and the fenders for now. I am working on getting them done for the headlights, the wireframe. Everything's just tacked for now. So it's not finished, but gives you an idea. Look how much extra space I got in the wheel wells. It's crazy. Didn't have that before. Also, gave me a lot more space on each side of the frame rail here, which really helps. I mean, I don't really need it now that I'm only doing one engine in the back, but I'll take all the space I can get. So we'll move on to the fuel system here. I did get everything routed except for the feed and return lines on the fuel system itself. And I did get the feed and return lines done up to the rear firewall in the back for the coolant system. I'm going to be running a Davies Craig DW150 pump. And the plumbing is not quite done up here, but I got to figure out where I'm actually going to position that. We'll move to the back here, the more exciting part of the car anyways. And you'll see the exhaust, I have about 95% finished. I just got to weld it. Everything's tacked right now. 4-inch stainless. Dual recirculative pipes from the wastegates. I don't want to have a massive pipe just going, from that side of the engine up front, trailing back, going down and out the back. I'd rather just have one solid 4-inch pipe. Makes it cleaner for me on the back sides, because I still want to mount my water to air tank right here. So I need room. I can't have, 2 more 2.5-inch pipes floating back here anywhere. So I just figured the dual recirculative setup is just a smart thing to do. I do have a new manifold here, Holley High Ram. I switched out from the Holley Sniper Race manifold. Reason being is I can't run an aftercooler. I do have the mock spacing set up on there, so I can finish the cold side before the aftercooler gets here. And it's going to be about, I think it's a 5-inch aftercooler, if I remember correctly, from Shearer Fab. I couldn't run the Sniper Race because I couldn't clear that bar over there. And since we're over here, kind of hard to see, but got the plumbing done for the coolant system. Both manifolds are up there, just sitting there floating for now. But they're going to come in 2 singular pipes that go to the front underneath the car. The diffuser I cut down. I don't know if I mentioned that in a previous video. I got sick of walking around the back of the car here and constantly clipping my feet on the diffuser back there, to the end of that diffuser. So I said, we're done with this. Look cool and all, but just it's not functional. This will be plenty. So we moved on from that. I'm trying to think what else I have here. I haven't really touched much else. It's been super busy lately. I think that's it. So yeah, I'll probably update here in another so. Like I said, I'm trying to do an update here every month and a half on the car. I don't have a lot of spare time to work on this thing much. So I'll see you guys next time. Thanks.